Trying to source the right production company for your brand? Finding your next supplier can take weeks or months, but with Sewport, just a couple of clicks. Sewport is an online platform connecting you with the right clothing manufacturers worldwide. Hundreds of factories, sampling studios, freelance designers and specialists, all ready to help you turn ideas into products. How does it work? Start with creating an inquiry from your Sewport account. To do so, fill out a question-guided form providing information about the services you require, quantities and product type. This form is short and simple and will only take a couple of minutes to complete. Once done, you can then publish it for manufacturers to view. The most relevant companies will contact you offering their services and quotes to fight for your business. Imagine, instead of calling up every company one by one explaining what you need over and over, we help eliminate this hassle and save you time by matching you with the right suppliers instantly. Our system also conveniently notifies you about new incoming proposals or messages right to your inbox. In addition, you can browse our manufacturer's directory to find even more suppliers and ask them for quotes directly. All payments go through our secure payment escrow, so that you are in control of the payouts to your suppliers. We have no joining fees or sign-up costs. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up today.